Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to convert analysis files into templates in EdgeProX. One of EdgeProX's key features is the ability to convert analysis files into templates and export them for later use. This process can greatly streamline your workflow and ensure consistent analysis across different instruments and charts. To import an analysis file, click on the folder icon and select Import Analysis or hit Ctrl-K on your keyboard. Then, select the analysis file you would like to import. In the dialog box, type in or select the symbol using the drop-down menu if it's not already highlighted. Then, select Import. If you wish to apply the analysis to another chart or symbol, first, save the chart as a template by selecting File, Chart, Template, Save as Template. Then name your template or select a template that you would like to overwrite. Next, select the plus button at the top left corner of your chart to bring up a new chart. Type in the symbol for the instrument you would like to see, then select Chart, Template, and select your previously saved template in order to apply it to the current symbol.